What's up, everybody? So I'm down here at Walmart. We're in Nashville, Tennessee. We got snow coming in this weekend, and this place is a madhouse. Let me show you. Now I got to get some stuff. Look at this. Got all kinds of people already lined up, and I've got to do my own shopping today. And look at all these people lined up, and there's a lot of lines open, but you got customers asking like, hey, I'm surprised there ain't more lanes open, but they're already packed. All right, so now we're gonna go back here. We're gonna check the water aisle out. We're gonna check the bread aisle. We're gonna check the eggs and milk and show you guys how empty these shelves are and how crazy people has got. All right, so you see, get this one. All the bread is gone, and all the biscuits are empty. Look at all through here. We got Captain Jason here, my buddy. Alright, so biscuits are gone, bread's almost gone. We'll go over here and look at the milk. Got a little bit of milk left, but it's getting empty. Where's the eggs? There is no eggs. Everybody's buying it out. Snowmageddon is here. Juice is gone. Alright, so now let's go up and look at the meat department. See how much meat has been sold during all of this. Oh, the horror, the horror. Alright, so let's go around here and take a little look-sees. Chicken's gone. Chicken's gone. Go up over here. Steaks are about empty. Hamburgers basically empty. Unreal. Banana's gone. Wet wall is crazy. Picked over. Alright, now we'll go over here and look at the ice melts. The little propane tanks over here in hardware. People has went crazy over all this stuff also. It's just a little unreal. So we got these little hot hands. They're basically empty, and that was where kerosene was. And right here is where little propane tanks was, and it's all gone. I'll tell you what, I dread getting in this line to check out just for, I got some Coke, some bread, some dish liquid, got some batteries, but I absolutely dread getting in this line up here and waiting. It's 12:16. So 12:16, we'll see how long it's going to take. Let's go ahead and start my timer right here. Let's see, start the timer. Boom. All right, let's see how long it takes me to wait in these lines. Well, it looks like the lines has kind of came down just a little bit. So we'll go through here, get in line, and check things out. So it's not too bad right now. A lot better than what it was earlier. As we can see, the lines has cleared out. So customers getting through their lines really good. All right, so 3 minutes and 36 seconds to get through the line. Pretty good take. Well, that wasn't too bad. It only took us about 3 minutes and about 3.5 minutes to get through the line. So thankfully, from the start of the video, you've seen how crazy the lines was backed up. But great job by Walmart getting these customers in and out without a problem. Big buggies. These people had big buggies through here. But like I say, supposed to have snow coming in Saturday evening, and we're supposed to be about 24 degrees roughly throughout the week, so this stuff ain't gonna melt till probably about Wednesday, Thursday. But you know, it goes pretty crazy when they call for snow and people gets their bread and milk and all that good stuff. I still got to sit down at the house tonight, make a list of what we're eating for the rest of next week from Saturday on, Friday, Saturday on. And I got some stuff yesterday, but I'm really behind the 8 ball, so I still got to do more shopping tomorrow. But guys, I appreciate you guys watching the video. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Love you guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.